Welcome to Copperhead Customs and a new episode. Something completely different today. Something you won't be expecting. So keep watching to find out what goes on. Alright, so we've come out to work on the Pontiac. I haven't been putting this on the channel because it's I've just been doing it off. So we've been, if you've looked at this before, we're doing the body where we're doing it was in an accident, and we've been painting the interior floor and the boot floor and what have you. So the back seat was removed. So I'd come out, I'd remove the back seat, giving this a tidy up in here. The passenger door was left wide open and the boot was open, and I'd gone inside. Okay, so we'd gone inside. All good, yeah? Then I'd come back outside, and what we're going to do now is we're going to flick over to the footage of what happened when I freaking came back outside. Reaper. I've come out to work on my car, took the back seat out, and this guy just slid in through the open door over there. I don't know if you know what this is. This is the second deadliest snake in the world. This is a freaking eastern brown. My ass is twitching 600 miles an hour. Check him out, eastern brown, second deadliest snake in the world. It's just slid into the car while I'm trying to work on it. Only in freaking Queensland. Okay, so now you can see why my heart is still racing at 4,000 miles an hour. So that there was the second deadliest freaking snake in the world. That was an eastern brown, and it was pretty good freaking size. And what had happened is he'd slithered through that door. So when I came back out of the car, he was actually halfway coming in. I quickly got my phone in a bit of a state and quickly took some footage. He then slid through there, but at that point I had to go and put the dog away, and he came through here, and he went out of that little hole there where the indicator goes, and he took off went back out bush. Okay, so he just come for a little look, say hello, must have. I don't know what the frick went on there, but yeah. So he's gone back out to Never Never Land, and just left me with probably 3 years taken off my life. So the story is, I'll tell you about the story of what that was, and I'll tell you some more stuff in a minute, Reaper. Alright, so this is where it all gets a bit weird, okay? As you know, our channel is called Copperhead Customs. Now, why are we called, and we have a snake on our logo. So the reason of that is because the town we live in Indigenous, means home of the copperhead. Okay? Now, everyone thinks it's home of the copperhead snake, but it's not the copperhead snake, because copperheads aren't found where we live. Copperheads are down south in the southern states of Australia. There's none up here. All right, and no one even realises this because they're all, they don't use this thing in here. So, but in the Indigenous people called the eastern brown, which has a copper coloured head, the copperhead snake. Not meaning the real copperhead snake, because it's a copper coloured headed snake. Okay, so they call my town home of the copperhead, meaning home of the eastern frickin' brown. So the ironic bit is our channel's called Copperhead Customs. We just had a freaking copperhead snake crawl through my freaking car and disappear. It was in and out within a minute. Like, come on, that's just taking it all a little bit too far for me, I think. I don't know what you reckon. Alright, so that's all I'm freaking doing today on anything, because my heart, if you could feel my heart, it's beating through my chest still. So I don't know, I don't drink anymore, but I think I need to go and have half a litre of scotch or 200 Valium, one of the two. So anyway, I'm going to go inside and try to calm down, and that's all we're going to see. So you're just going to have to stay tuned to see what other freaking exploits happened here. Thanks for watching. See you next time I'm looking at you. Reaper.